Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about Electronic Arts Inc. quarterly report. Electronic Arts Inc. offers a diverse range of businesses and services, including game development and publishing across various genres such as sports, racing, first-person shooter, action, role-playing, and simulation live services offerings with extra content and subscription services through its global football and American football franchises, digital distribution, and retail channels for marketing and selling games and services, direct sales to mass-market retailers. Specialty stores and distribution arrangements. The company's portfolio includes popular IPs such as The Sims, Apex Legends, Battlefield, EA Sports College Football, and EA Sports Madden NFL. The significant increase in Electronic Arts Inc.'s EA stock price over the past year can be attributed to several key events and announcements. The most substantial factor was the acquisition announcement in September 2025, where an investor consortium offered $55 billion for EA's all-cash transaction at $210 per share. This news led to a 13.4% jump in EA's stock on September 26, 2025, with some shares reaching over $210 in pre-market trading. Additionally, strong performances from popular football video games like Madden NFL 25 and College Football 25 contributed to the company's revenue and earnings outlook. The successful launch of new games such as Skate and EA Sports FC 26 also played a significant role in driving EA's financial growth. The acquisition news, combined with these positive developments, drove EA's stock price up by over 31.51% in the past year, making it one of the most notable increases in the industry. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline in the company can be summarized as follows. Revenue growth: increase in deferred net revenue from online-enabled games, sales related to global football, American football, and The Sims franchises, increased sales of split fiction. Revenue decline: decrease in net income, change in estimated offering period for service-related performance obligations, year-over-year decline in EA Sports College Football, decreased sales of extra content for Apex Legends. Net income and profit margins decline. A summary: the company's net income plummeted by 53.4% from $294 million in 2024 to $137 million in 2025. This significant decrease is attributed to various factors, including negative reviews and ratings impacting sales, delays in game releases and content updates, increased expenditures on refunds and defect fixes, disputes with external developers, and loss of proprietary data. Profit margins also suffered, decreasing from 77.6% in 2024 to 75.8% in 2025. A minor decrease of 0.02% was caused by a change in estimated offering period for service-related performance obligations. The overall decline in net income and profit margins can be attributed to the company's struggles with managing its business operations, talent retention, and addressing customer complaints. The company's financial performance indicates a significant improvement in its ability to generate cash from operations. In 2025, the company achieved a substantial positive operating cash flow of $147 million, demonstrating its capacity to manage costs and maintain profitability. This achievement is a testament to the company's effective financial management and strategic planning. The company's debt level has undergone a notable decrease of $128 million. However, this reduction is somewhat offset by an increase in net cash used in financing activities from $948 million to $997 million. Meanwhile, the interest expenses have remained relatively stable, with no significant change observed between 2024 and 2025. Financial performance overview: the company's financial performance reveals a mixed picture across different periods and metrics. Notably, net revenue has shown growth in both 3-month and 6-month periods, increasing by 6.1% and 6.3%, respectively. However, this positive trend is overshadowed by significant declines in net income, with decreases of 53.4% and 41.1% over the same periods. In terms of regional or segmental performance, there is no clear indication of which areas have contributed to these revenues and income. Therefore, it is difficult to pinpoint specific segments that performed well or poorly. Nevertheless, the overall financial data suggests a need for improvement in net income, despite revenue growth. The company has a history of returning value to its shareholders through both dividend payments and share buybacks. In terms of dividends, the company declared cash dividends in multiple years, with the amount increasing over time from $48 to $51 per year. The company also paid out significant amounts in dividends, totaling $96 million in 2025 and $101 million in 2024. In addition to dividend payments, the company has also engaged in share buybacks. Over the course of several years, the company repurchased common stock, with the amount increasing over time from $376 to $769 million in 2025. The company's commitment to returning value to its shareholders through both dividends and share buybacks demonstrates a strong focus on shareholder value creation. Concerns about inventory buildup and supply chain disruption are evident in the financial summary. Inventory buildup is a concern due to a $322 million decrease in net revenue, primarily attributed to sales of extra content for Apex Legends. This suggests that there may be an overstocking issue. Supply chain disruptions pose another significant threat. A 16% decrease in full game downloads, $74 million, indicates potential issues with distribution and delivery. Furthermore, the company's dependence on partners for distribution channels, investment, and system upgrades creates vulnerabilities. Partners' control over these aspects can lead to exclusion or de-emphasis of products and services, as well as unilateral changes to terms and conditions. These factors contribute to concerns about supply chain disruption. That concludes the financial summary for Electronic Arts Inc. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.